guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right now, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back and showing me your love every single time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I shave my face. I do this for a couple of reasons. You guys will get to know it a little bit later, but right now let me just tell you that this method of shaving your face is called dermaplaning. People usually get it done professionally in a clinic, but today I'm going to show you how you can do it at home by yourself. I personally prefer this method to get rid of my facial hair. I will not recommend anyone to wax, bleach or thread your face. Don't do it. I repeat, please don't do it, no matter what your skin type is, because they have some sort of irritants in them which is harmful for your skin. You guys must have noticed your skin after waxing. You get that red rashes all over your skin. I have a sensitive skin. I face this a lot of times and it almost takes a day to calm down. You can wax your body if you want, but please don't get your face waxed, bleached or threaded. The best way to get rid of facial hair is to use a face razor. I personally have been using this method for almost 4 years now, and ever since then I've never stopped using a face razor. I genuinely love it and 100% recommend you guys to try this method. Also guys, let me tell you that having facial hair is normal. Every human being has it. It's up to you whether you want to shave your face or not. It's all about the confidence. Whether you have facial hair, you have acne, you have grey hair, be it anything, you just have to be confident. I have been through all of it. Nobody's perfect. I do have flaws as well, and I'm okay with it. At the end of the day, you should love yourself. There is a saying, right? The whole sky loves you when you love yourself. So besties, love yourself first. You're still stunning with or without facial hair. So that being said, let's just dive into the video. So let me just show you all what all you will require. The first thing will obviously be your razor. The razor I'm using is from Let's Shave Evier face razor for women. I bought it from Nykaa. It was around $3.99 for 3 razors. Then you will be needing wet wipes. I'm using Johnson's Baby wet wipes. You can use any wet wipes. Also you'll be needing a sanitizer to clean the razor. Then you will be needing cotton pads or tissue papers. I will tell you exactly why you will need it. Then you will be needing aloe vera gel, moisturizer, and that's it. I will also let you guys know what all you need to follow pre-shaving and post-shaving your face. I've been growing up my hair for a month for the purpose of this video, so let's just start with it. So before you start shaving, it's really important to prep the skin. So I have cleansed my face with a cleanser because you don't want to start with a dirty base and spread any bacteria. Next, I'm going to use a toner. This is going to remove any oil, sweat, dirt or excess makeup on your skin. So next I'll be using a aloe vera gel. I use a generous amount of aloe vera gel so that the razor glides on easily and gives that smooth shave. I will not suggest you guys to go for a dry shave because you guys might nick yourself. It's always better to use a oil or gel pre-shaving. So I'm applying a generous amount of it. Once you're done with applying the aloe vera gel, the next thing you will do is take a wet wipe, add some sanitizer on it. Guys, always make sure to clean your razor before using it because you don't want to transfer any bacteria and dirt on your face. And finally, let's start shaving. So the first thing what you guys will do is use your opposite hand to gently lift your skin so that you have a good support and your skin is tight. Then hold your razor at a 45-degree angle. Never use it like this, or hold your razor stiff. Use it lightly and then start shaving in a downward motion. Just like this. I'm going in small strokes. Please don't pull long strokes or use your razor upward. You might nick yourself. Once you're done with this, you should be good to go. You can actually see how much of peach fuzz is there. Gross. Then I clean my razor with the tissue paper like this. That's why I asked you guys to keep the tissue paper with you all. Keep cleaning the razor, you guys, whenever you feel it's necessary. I usually don't shave my eyebrows and upper lip. I get them threaded, but for the sake of today's video, I'm doing it. I'm just taking the extras. I also like doing it on my nose. Now, one of the most commonly asked questions I get about face shaving is that does the hair grow back thicker? And my answer for it is absolutely not. It's just a myth created by these parlor aunties. I have been using this method for almost 4 years now and my hair grows exact the same way it used to grow earlier. Trust me guys, after shaving your skin feels like baby soft skin, more plumped and bouncy. It gets rid of all the dead skin, peach fuzz and exfoliates your skin. And whenever you apply makeup, your makeup looks so even and flawless. Your BB plus or foundation just goes on like butter and the list just goes on and on. Okay guys, we are done with the shaving. I'm just going to clean the razor and close the cap. Again the same procedure, you just need to clean it with the sanitizer and wet wipe. Just gonna do that. After I'm done with this, I'll just go wash my face with a cleanser again. I'll just do that and be back.
A few moments later.
Yo besties, I'm back. Now to finish up, I grab some toner and run that on my entire face. And then I moisturize my skin. And tada! We are done with shaving.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So let me know if you guys try it out and how did it benefit you. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Catch you guys in next. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, my loves.